Hello everyone. In today's video, we will explore how to officially lock your Facebook profile. So, let's get into it. Firstly, navigate to the Facebook app and open it. Once you are on the Facebook homepage, to lock your profile, tap on the three horizontal lines from the top right corner. Now, scroll down the page, and from the bottom menu, open Settings and Privacy. Then choose Settings. Once the Settings menu opens up on the screen, scroll down to find the Audience and Visibility section. Within this section, you will discover the option to lock your profile. Tap on it to proceed. Take a moment to read the provided information before proceeding with the profile lock. Once you tap on Lock your profile will be officially locked. There is an alternative method as well. Tap on the three horizontal dots next to the Edit Profile. In the profile settings, you will find the same option named Lock Profile. As I just locked my profile a few moments ago, if you want to unlock it, then tap on it to proceed. And again tap on Unlock your profile. So, this is how you can officially lock and unlock your profile on Facebook. I hope this video is helpful for you. For more videos, please subscribe to our YouTube channel, and thank you for watching.